Hi, it's Andy at Atkinson Specialist Vans. We've got a really rare beast for you today, a 3-litre diesel V6 Mercedes Benz Vito Dualliner. This is the Brabus Sport X model. Not many of these made, very high spec, beautiful engine with 224 horsepower, the 3-litre V6. With the factory Brabus styling. This one's in obsidian black. Now, things to note on this one, it's one owner from new with a full Mercedes service history. And condition, absolutely superb. Bear in mind, it's 7.5 years old and a van, so you'd expect a few bits and bobs, but this is, as you can see, wonderful condition. We've got barely a chip on the front there. Down the line of the vehicle, really nice and straight, great shine to the paintwork. It's got the 18-inch Brabus shadow chrome alloys, Continental tyres on the front, got the chrome accents there on the sidebars and the handles. Just show you one here, there's good tread on those tyres. Moving inside the vehicle, 2 captain seats up front with the armrests and the Brabus Sport X trim. Now just have a look at the condition of these seats. Now this is a vehicle that's done 80,000 miles, and as you can see, very little wear to the leather there. Dashboard, all in excellent order. This has got the COMAND satellite navigation system, heated front seats, and it is of course the automatic gearbox. Taking a look in the rear. 3 seats in the rear, so you can seat 5 people in total. These are totally removable, and as you can see, you do have a kind of vinyl floor, so if you need to use it as a van and then wash it out, you can certainly do that. But again, barring just slight indentations where there's been child seats in the vehicle, leather's in super order. You've got a couple of little scuff marks on the back of the front seats, probably just from children with their feet up. But again, nothing I think at 7.5-year-old and 80,000 miles that's out of the way. Now we're just going to have a look down these panels carefully. If I spot anything, I will point it out to you. We like to try and do it with our videos where we look round as if you were here yourself and how you might inspect it. So again, shadow chrome wheel on the rear, perfect condition. Tyres, you've got a good amount of tread there. I would say there's at least 50 to 60% of the tread left on those tyres. Moving to the rear, nicely finished off with the chrome trim, Sport X detailing. Has got a carbon fibre effect rear bumper protector on top of the sensors there, just to save any scuffs as you're going in. Let's pop that up. So rear load area, fully panelled. It's looking pretty good in here. There's a couple of little screw marks just in the floor there and just at the top where the previous owners have clearly had something in there affixed. Again, compared to a lot of vans of this age that you have a look at, this will be far superior in its finish. A couple of little marks on the side there, and same across there. Also worth noting, it's windows all the way down on this. Quite handy if you ever decide you want to put a third row of seats in. We'll just have a look down the driver's side. Again, dent-free, uniform finish to the paint down here. tyre and wheel again. Excellent order, similar tread level to the other rear. They've clearly been changed in pairs when the tyres have been changed on this one. Got a driver's side sliding door as well. If we just step back, see from the side, stands superbly well, really sort of sets it apart from other more standard Vitos. So taking a look inside, mileage today, 80,240 miles. Cruise control and the leather multifunction wheel as well on this one, auto headlights. It's got air conditioning. Show you that seat again. In superb order. I think we can safely say there won't be many out there as good as this one. And if you'd like any further details on it, then do give us a call. We can take part exchanges. We do offer finance facilities. This vehicle is plus VAT. So if you're buying through a VAT registered business, you may be able to reclaim the VAT element. Thanks for watching, and hopefully hear from you soon.